Hello, this is Dan Faschingbauer from GrooveSaasaffiliatereviews.com. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a domain name from NameCheap for the new upcoming Groove launch and configure it with a tool called Easylinks. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is go over to NameCheap and find a domain name that we can purchase. And I think I'm going to try to get the domain groovewithdan.com. Let's click on search, and I got lucky. That domain name is available. So I'll click on add to cart, and I'm not going to purchase any upgrades today. I will just go to checkout. I'm going to turn auto renew on so that domain does not expire. I get WhoIsGuard free today. And I searched the internet to see if I could get a NameCheap discount code, and I found one, but I'm not sure if it's valid. So I'm going to put that promo code right here. And you'll notice that I currently owe $9.06. Let's click on apply, see if that changes. Alright, so I'm not really sure what happened. It took my 99 special coupon code, and it said your special 99-cent domain purchase. But yet the total here did not change, so I'm not sure if it really did work. So I'm just going to click on confirm order and move on here with this. I'm just going to go ahead and purchase this domain groovewithdan.com. Click on pay now. Alright, so I completed that process and I purchased groovewithdan.com. So now I'm going to go over to my Easylinks back office, and I'm going to configure in that new domain name with Easylinks. So I'll come down here to manage groups, come up here, click on domains, and I'll click on add new, and I'll fill in this information here. Alright, so my domain name is groovewithdan.com. You have to put in a slug of some sort. This could be anything. It could be it could be bonus, it could be profit. It doesn't matter, but this does get put in your URL as shown down here. And then you actually have to put in the true full URL of your domain. So in my case, it's going to be http://groovewithdan.com. You can have a default URL in case this URL goes bad for some reason. It would default to this. I'm going to keep them the same for right now. And I can put in retargeting pixels here, but I'm not going to do that in this video. And make sure that you have the is forward domain is checked. Then click on Save Changes. Now you'll see here under user domain, that is one of the domains that I have to pick from now as groovewithdan.com. Alright, so now we need to go back over to NameCheap and set up our domain in NameCheap so it will communicate with this Easylink marketer software. So we'll come back over here to NameCheap, and then next to the domain registration, I would click on Manage. Make sure you're in the right domain here, and I am. Click on Advanced DNS. Scroll down to this section here where it has the host records. So for the CNAME Record, we're going to come in here and we're going to make this an @ sign. And then for the value, so if I come back over here and click on Edit Selected, here is the link that I need. So I'm going to copy this and come back over here and paste that in right there. And then make this automatic and click the green check mark to save it. And when I did that, it removed the second record, so I have to add a new record now. So I'll click on Add New Record, and I want to add another CNAME record, and I want this to be www, and my target value is going to be the URL from Easylinks again. Again, I want it to be automatic for TTL, and click on Save Changes. And that's it. So now my domain name should be connected to Easylinks. So we'll come back over here to Easylinks, go to the link bank, and I'll click on create a new link. And for the select vendor, I'm going to add a new one. I'm going to call this GrooveDigital, and I'll leave this other information here blank. Just click on Save Changes. For the link name, I'll just call it Launch. So for the destination link, this is where I want to send people when they go to my URL. So I'll go over to GrooveFunnels and log in. Come up here and click on Groove Affiliate Program. Scroll down here to the promotion tools. Click on Links. I'm going to select this first one here called GrooveFunnels. So I'll just copy this. This is my affiliate link. Come back over here to Easylinks and paste that in there. And make sure that the status is active. Select a domain so I can use the pull down, and now I do see groovewithdan.com. I can select that, and I'm going to click on Cloak URL, and you'll see here this is currently the URL, but I can put in a visible link here. Alright, so I'm going to put in launch, so it'll be this URL /launch. Alright, then we can come out here and we select a group. Alright, that doesn't have what I want, so I'm going to click an add sign here, and I'm going to add a group name called GrooveDigital. Click on Save Changes. So for the link of groovewithdan.com /launch, I can add in a specific retargeting pixel just for that. I can add in conversion pixels, dates, holding pages, notes, page image, link platform, and master campaign. I'm not going to do anything with these options in this video. I'll probably come back and make a separate video for that. So just click on Save. Alright, it says the link added successfully, and it shows up right here. So my vendor is called GrooveDigital, my group is GrooveDigital, and my link name is called Launch. Now if I come over here and I copy that URL, open up a new tab and paste that in here, you'll see that it's http://groovewithdan.com/launch. Alright, so let's hit a return, and it takes me to my launch page. Now if I scroll down here to verify that, here's my name right here, proves that this is my page. So this verifies now that the domain name I purchased with NameCheap called groovewithdan.com is now linked with Easylinks. So now with Easylinks connected to my domain, I'm now able to easily create links for the different products of Groove. For example, I could have groovewithdan.com/groovemail or /groovepages or /groovesell /groovewebinar. So I could have all of the products broken out now here if I wanted to. Okay, so I found an issue that I want to address. If I open up a new tab and I go to the link that I created, which is groovewithdan.com/launch, that works fine as anticipated. That's what I want. But if I just go to groovewithdan.com, that page does not work because I do not have anything hosted at that URL. So this does make sense that this page is not working. So I want to correct that. So what I'll do is go back into Easylinks, go into Manage Groups, come up here to Domains, make sure that I have my domain that I want to work with. In my case, it's groovewithdan.com. Click on Edit Selected, and right here is where I can fix that. So what will happen is when Easylinks tries to go to this URL and doesn't find anything hosted here, it'll redirect and go to this default URL. So I could put in my groovesassaffiliatereviews.com website if I wanted to. Click on Save. Now if I come up here to groovewithdan.com and go to that URL, it redirects me to my grooveaffiliatereviews.com. So now my domain does link to some website, and that's what I want. I'm going to come back in here again and edit this, but today I think I'm going to redirect it back to my GrooveFunnels sales page. So basically, groovewithdan.com and groovewithdan.com/launch will both go to the exact same page for right now, and that's fine. So I'm going to click on Save Changes. So now if I go to groovewithdan.com/launch, that works. And if I just go to groovewithdan.com, that also works now. And that's what I want. I want my main domain to also go to some location. All right, so that's how I fixed that issue. Now, in order to keep this so that the URL up here stays showing groovewithdan.com/launch and not the long, ugly URL from the Groove landing page, I had to edit my link and I had to click here to Cloak URL. So when you cloak the URL, then it will show this URL in the search path and not the ugly long sales page URL. All right, so those are the two things to check when you're done to make sure that everything is working properly. All right, so that concludes this video of purchasing a domain name with NameCheap and setting up Easylinks and connecting Easylinks with my NameCheap domain. I hope you found that useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.